Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Mandarin Frosted Pancake in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Mandarin Frosted Pancake that I've made in Heartopia, and I'm going to share to you the recipe to make Mandarin Frosted Pancake. Okay, if you want to cook pancake, you need to have penguin stove in your home. And if you don't have this stove, you can go to Winter Utopia and find Massimo, and you can use his penguin stove. And then you're going to cook the pancake. You can choose the original frosted pancake recipe. If you don't have this recipe, you can purchase from Massimo. You can choose the original one, and then we're going to change the fruit. Since we want to make Mandarin Frosted Pancake, we need to choose mandarin. Okay, like this. You can also make another type of pancake using another fruit. For example, you can make apple pancake using apple and so on. And then we need to choose mandarin, and then you can click on start cooking, and you will get the Mandarin Frosted Pancake like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can cook the Mandarin Frosted Pancake in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!